Okay, and these are some elevators at the DoubleTree, Philadelphia. I don't know if I'm gonna bother trying to get all 4 of these. In fact, I'm definitely not gonna bother trying to get all 4 of these, but try to at least get 2 out of 4. That one. These have been modded multiple times. I presume they have Lexans, just like those hydros. Up you go. And this rate, I might not be filming these at all. There we go. Let's see if there's people on this one. Okay, there are. So let's go to 26. Close the door. Pretty good speed. Ears pop a little bit. That's how you know it's a good speed. And let's go down to 3 because that's where I started. There's that Otis label there. Pretty nice cab. And that's it. Okay, we got another car. Done my obligation to my viewers. Let's go to 26. If I at least get an upright in, I say that is a success. See, I even said that's it earlier. So I could make the video not cut awkwardly if I gave up. Because I thought I was going to give up, but I didn't. I say that because good chance I'm not even going to remember to edit that out. See through the doors a little bit there. All right, I think that about does it for these things. My luck's gonna run out eventually. Well, that's it.